We often hear about AI models like ChatGPT passing law exams, medical boards, and advanced placement tests. This makes it seem like they are becoming truly intelligent, but are these tests telling us the whole story? A fascinating new paper digs into this question and uncovers a hidden weakness in how AI thinks. The central idea of the research is that our human-centric tests might be giving us a false sense of security. Here's why this is important. When we design a test for a person, we expect them to make certain kinds of mistakes if they don't understand a topic. These mistakes reveal gaps in their logic. But what if an AI gets things wrong for reasons that no human ever would? The researchers call this Potemkin Understanding, named after the fake villages built to create an illusion of prosperity. It means an AI can produce answers that seem correct on the surface, but its internal reasoning is completely disconnected from any kind of human-like comprehension. It's an illusion of understanding. To investigate this, the researchers developed clever methods to catch this fake understanding in action. Instead of just checking for right or wrong answers, their procedures were designed to check if the AI's pattern of mistakes mirrored the kinds of errors humans would make. They created special benchmarks and a general process to hunt for these Potemkins across a variety of popular AI models and in different domains, like logic, science, and ethics. Let's explore what they found. The results were striking. Potemkin understanding is not a rare quirk, but a widespread phenomenon. The researchers found it everywhere, suggesting that these AI systems are not just getting some facts wrong. The problem is deeper. It indicates that their internal representation of concepts is fundamentally incoherent and not organized in the logical, connected way a human mind works. So, what does this mean in practice? It suggests we need to be much more careful about how we measure AI capabilities. A high score on a test doesn't automatically mean the AI can be trusted with important tasks. If an AI is making decisions in fields like medicine or finance, we need to know it truly grasps the concepts, not just that it's skilled at creating a convincing illusion. This research pushes us to develop better evaluation tools that can look past the surface-level answer and probe the true nature of an AI's intelligence. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.